What's good, y'all? It's your boy dmoneythakid here, and we're back with some more Pokemon Uranium Nuzlocke. If you feel me, dog. I don't know where the "if you feel me" came from, but shit, if you feel me, hit the like, comment, subscribe. I don't know what the fuck that is. Don't know what that is. Expectation. I don't know what that is. Anyway, we're back. What was I about to do? Oh, I think we're taking on the gym because we fucked up the grunts. And the reason why I'm right here is that I think we can fish here. I tested it out. I didn't land a Pokemon yet, but I tested. I have a good rod. Come on. I have a good rod. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. What's the fucking point? So is the good rod and the old rod the same fucking thing? That's dumb. I should ask. I'm not gonna lie to you. Not gonna lie to you. That doesn't make any sense. Old rod is for like Magikarps. Good rod is for Magikarps and everything else. That's ass. I guess we're about to look at my team. My team, I'm not gonna lie, I did not level anything up. Well, I kinda did. And I was like, damn, this shit about to take forever. Now I don't want to do that. To level you up for 10 levels? No. Yeah, 10, 12, 14 levels? Fuck all that. I'm just about to roll with these 5 and hopefully shit don't, no? Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? One thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put you back off you. Off you. I'm gonna put you in. Just in case if I need to, like, you know, heal. I got you though. I mean, you're not gonna listen to me. If I gotta lose somebody, I'd rather it's you. No, you. I need fodder. He'll put no. Won't do. Nah, I'm confident in my team. XP share and we out. We got this. I mean, I don't think my team loses to anything that's in it. If I remember correctly. Actually, I know there is one thing that's kind of, you know, kind of fucked. Can I go straight? Nope. That's foul as fuck. What was the point of the ice? Alright, Sheldon, let's get into it. Bastard. What's his voice? Well, no, that's the nerd. He's a nerd too. Well, fuck it. Well, money. It's been I've been waiting for you. Sure, that sure was some stunt you pulled back there in the cornfield. I'm almost impressed. But messing with Ripley was getting boring. Everything is this town bores me. Let's see if you are powerful as F51A thing. I cannot read. Fuck. Let's get into it, Sheldon. Bitch ass nigga. What the fuck is a... Oh, Grammarly. Oh. Student. No. Oh, whoa! 32, what the fuck? What you doing? I'll just go to Izzy. Legit nothing you can do to me. But I do got saved for I forgot what it's called. Like a fucking toy. But that shit's strong as fuck. Let's go, bitch. Oh yeah, I'm healing that shit up. Oh, let me turn this bitch up. Go ahead and heal. Bastard. Wait, has your defense been lowered? Easy. Oh, that's I could have went to you. That's that little horse, I believe. Not little horse, but that shit. I don't want that. You got sturdy, don't you? Oh, oh. That'll whip that. Oh. Better hit this shit, bitch. Oh, okay. I'm about to say. Mark, you just about to. Perfect. Ooh, hey, it's a rock type. Aw, bitch. This shit go in, bro. Whoever made this was cooking, I promise you. Bro, communicate effectively, bro. I got it. Bitch. Oh, special attack. Oh, shit. Don't have pursuit. That was a little risky if I do say so myself. Don't increase your stats. Alright, good shit. Okay, good shit. Now, track time, that's what it's called, okay? This motherfucker here is dangerous. Oh shit, hold on. I resist both steel and dragon, so I should be fine. Shit. Aw, bitch. I'm lower your fucking defense, nigga? Oh, I'm getting all that HP, bitch. Speed boost don't mean shit to me. Oh, I can't get credit. Oh, never mind. I'm chilling. Fuck is you talking about? Bitch ass dinosaur? Oh, it's over, buddy. Go ahead and heal up. Speed boost ain't helping you, Chief. This is legit the best starter. Can I get a defense lower defense? Thank you. Fuck out of my game. 20. How? How are you so strong? I don't understand. All I do every day is train and train, and yet some little brat like you marches right in and... Well, anyway, you made my day and a little less boring. I guess I should give you this. Connective. And that's on my other account. How is it on my... Whatever. I guess, and I guess you... Since you won, I give you this. Nigga, you didn't even use gyro ball in the... It's good for worthless for track time. As long as you, you're not a moron about using it, it's a strong move. You're worthless. Oh, shit. Yeah. Hey, are you D-Money? Oh, good, listen. Good. Listen, there's this kid named Terry or something. He's got his Pokemon out and he looks kind of upset. He told me he was looking for you. Can you, make sure he's okay, please? I read that too fast. He looks a bit too young to be on his own. He's by the town entrance. You know, with crazy hair like that, it should be hard to miss. Maybe you should heal up, though. The Pokemon look a little worn out from battling. Bro, I don't want to... First of all, Thought, don't ever talk to me like that again. Secondly, why... Theo, I folded his bitch ass. I folded his bitch ass in the, Fuck, what was it? On the boat. Like, why? Leave me alone. Go challenge the gym. Hold on, let me talk to my girl real quick. You religious. I got the gym badge, huh? I tried, but this Pokemon were too strong for me. It's not fair. I just want to be a good Pokemon trainer. I work so hard, training all the time. That's the same thing that bitch ass gym leader said. And then you win anyway. You're thinking I'm just a whiny kid, aren't you? Yeah. Well, I'm not. I'm just a kid. I'm not just a kid. Won't everyone stop treating me like one? How am I supposed to keep fighting? After... I miss you. Where'd you go? Why did Dad's power plant have to blow up? Dad told me to be strong. Well then, why haven't you called me? Where are you, Dad? Why did you go missing? You. Did you hear that? It sounded like an earthquake, or it could. No, it couldn't be. Hear sirens happening. His voice dropped. There's no way it could meltdown, right? You kids, there's been an emergency. We need to evacuate the entire town. Let's go, Staraptor. Can I get a Staraptor in this bitch? Oh, it's from the army route. Now quick, get on. What's going on? Let's just go. That shit is the thumbnail. No way. Can't be. Another nuclear meltdown? Oh, you're safe. Thank Arceus. Follow me. Ahem. Can everybody hear me? Okay, good. We're in the middle of a crisis the likes of which Tender has never seen. Yet it's as might... Yes, it's as might have... Nuclear plant Zeta has suffered a meltdown. As we speak, a cloud of radioactive fallout is spreading across Route 8 and Veneville. This radiation is harmful to all life. We Rangers are currently evacuating everybody to safety. What the hell? Two nuclear meltdowns so close together? What's going on? This can't be an accident. We can't confirm any girl. Fuck it. We can't confirm any rumors right now. We're trying to make sure everybody is safe. What about our Pokemon? Yeah, save our Pokemon and the ones in the wild too. Pokemon so affected by radiation. They go all crazy, don't they? This is awful. Please remain calm. Here in Lincoln Town, you are a safe distance from the radiation zone. We're doing our best to contain the spread of radiation. We will be giving out subway passes so that you may visit family elsewhere in the region. One last thing, I understand you are worried and scared, but as long as we support one another, we'll make it through this. Look after your children and elderly. A ranger will come by soon with food and clean sheets. And to all of you in this room who are Pokemon trainers, we don't usually ask for help from civilians, but as you can see, we're in the midst of a crisis. If anybody has strong Pokemon that can help us battle the nuclear Pokemon on Route 11 to the north, please. Certain kinds of Pokemon like Steel types are more effective. Fuck, I gotta give him a voice. You said Steel Pokemon? Ah, fuck it. Fuck it, bro. I can't do nerd because he has a nerd and he's a fucking nerd. They're all nerds. He's a nerd. You said Steel Pokemon? Look, I know I have been a real jerk in the past. I used to always say I hated Bentonville and everyone in it, but the truth is, I love that place with all my heart. I just never realized it until now. Now is my chance to prove to everybody that I do care. I help the Rangers. Hey, me and dmoney are the trainers. We've got gym badges too. You? You're just a kid. Sorry, but we really don't want to put any kids in danger. Stay with your parents, kiddo. Actually, I can vouch that dmoney is a capable trainer. They were strong enough to beat my gym. What about me? I am a good trainer. Let me help. I want to help. Kid. Don't call me again, bitch! There, don't cry. Well, oh shit. Well, anyway, dmoney was it? If that what Sheldon said was true, then we need your help. Come find us entrance to Route 11 on the north. We'll make sure that the nuclear power Pokemon don't reach this town. Okay, I want all y'all to quit talking to me. Let me do my thing. Thank you. 20 minutes? You ain't saying nothing. Come child, you're worried. Dark times. We must look to the light and find a way. Would you hear my summary? Hell yeah. Very well. We live in a world where we are constantly faced with choices. Some significant, some minor. Sometimes those minor choices have major effects. It is our power to choose that makes us special. It is a gift from Aoteus that allows us to forge our own paths. However, there is a dark side to every choice. That is Mutius's gift. Actions before we take them. You may wonder, why is this a gift? Would it not be better if we could act freely without repercussions? But then we cannot know if our actions were hurting others. Thus, life is a constant balance. For there to be joy in the world, there must also be suffering. In order to be the very best, there must be those that are the very worst, but we must trust in the power of the gods. They are lovely and kind, I assure it. Thank you for listening, child. May the blessings of the gods be with you. May the blessing of the gods be with you. Explore this bit. Ow. Lady? There's suffering all over the world. However, the pain felt by others doesn't negate the strife we face in our own lives. That is true. Chance that both the Beale Beach and Bentonville plants suffer in meltdown so close to each other unheard of unless there was My cause. Could be my nigga. Town smells a challenge. By the end of the year, Victory Road will be open once again for the championship. Yep. On word for Venneville's library, some of those books were priceless artifacts dating back to the founding of Pandora. I see that Pokeball down the corner. Good body in this bitch. The fuck? Must pray to Aotius and Mutius for safe guidance. Only they will be able to help us through these dark times. Kinder Regional Championships is world-renowned for being one of the toughest challenges for trainers to master. Anyone that conquers ladies. I said that wrong. For temporarily. Whatever. Fuck it. Make me a sandwich. Beat your fucking ass right now. What? Oh! You are a trainer, yes? Ooh, yes. This is wonderful news, and you are traveling the region. This is fuck. Oh joy of joys! I am so glad you have come here. Allow me to introduce myself. I am, well, you can just call me the Tinkerer. That is also what I do. Alright, quit dropping, bro. Okay, so trainer. You know hidden machines, HMs, yes? Of course you do. Well, I will let you in on a secret. They suck! They are weak moves, so weak, useless. Pokemon are not slaves. We have technology, and so this is what I do. I tinker. I make machines that do the work of HMs. Here, trainer. I want you to have this. Boxing gloves. Oh yeah, I'm about to go to that motherfucking mart. Box that nigga up too. That machine is crushes rocks. Yes, it crushes rocks that are in your way. Poof. Yes. No more rocks. It's a miracle. Now your Pokemon can go express easy. My friend, someday there will be no need for these HMs, but until then, I tinker. But what about everything else? Itch. If I pray to Aotius, will he make things right again? Super training tutor Ichi. How long can he offer specialized training defense that? Not losing you. Oh. Okay. Fuck. Damn. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I'm here. Fuck. I can just keep coming back to him? Oh yeah. Okay, hold on. Still gotta visit. Oh, that's how you go through the road, okay. Learn this. Rockville Town? Oh, this is that, I've never been here. Have I? I need to go this way. Cause some shit over here. I gotta see how strong he is. I pray he's not strong. Okay, same level. Who's a pro? Oh, Marcus. Yeah, Marcus, I'm gonna need you. Get out real quick. Cause what's the shit? I forgot what it's called. I think the lucky egg is over here. So I might just, the next episode I might beat these niggas. And then go to Route 11? Bitch. When you learn Crunch? Aquatail. Back time. Bro. I should do that defense shit for you. That's what I'm gonna do. McClung, a Lakers legend, won the dunk contest. That's crazy. Now, why I didn't watch the dunk contest? I mean, like, like, what is else there to do in a dunk contest? I mean, just everything has been done unless someone's gonna bring a fucking do some exotic shit or some wild shit. But hey, let me tell y'all something. For the people that's watching this, bro, there's a manga out there. It's called, well, it's a webtoon. I'm watching anime, read manga. It's a webtoon. It's called the fuck was it? I forget. I'm like on chapter 2 something, 240 or 50. It's called Unordinary. I'll probably put a picture in the when I'm editing this. That shit is clean as a bitch, bro. Unordinary is so fire, bro. I highly recommend that shit. It's about superheroes and not even superheroes. It's about powers in high school. People with high school that have powers. It's like a ranking. It's like a ranking system. That shit go crazy. Hold on. Yeah, buddy. Yep. You for defense. Okay, hold on. Okay. Ooh. 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 Aw. By 15. Still ass. I honestly don't know IVs and EVs like that. All I know is just like, well, let me talk to you. Rangers can't catch train Pokemon, but most Pokemon can. All this quiet makes my Pokemon antsy. Get out of here. Hold on, let me heal and then I'm gonna end the video. Actually, I'm in the video right now. Listen, like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, dog. I love playing Pokemon games. I'll probably play Insurgents after this. Insurgents is long as fuck. That's like at least 60 videos. And I'm willing to do that. I love Pokemon games, bro. It's like my favorite franchise. But like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna continue this shit. I should go to sleep, but fuck it. Record 31? It was just 20? Whatever. I'm out this bitch. Bye.